Here, kitty, kitty, kitty! Come here so I can pet you! Oops! I think my favorite jeans let me down! Sitting at the table is the perfect time to watch funny videos on your phone. Ugh! This is so uncomfortable! Let me use magic to make a stand. This is much better! To make the same one, take old stained jeans and a cardboard stencil. Take notes. The triangle side length is 6 1/3 inches and the rectangles are 5.5 by 6 1/3 inches. Apply the stencil from the clean side and go over it with a piece of chalk. Cut it out along the outline. Iron the bends. Fold and sew 2 triangular edges together. Pin the third triangle to them and sew at the base. Make another seam parallel. Fill it with stuffing. Close the seam. Glue a pocket for headphones. Attach a piece of fabric with shiny sequins. A beanbag chair for your phone is ready. This stand is even cooler than the video. And the strip with sequins doesn't just hold the phone, but also calms you down. And now, cut off a couple of jean pockets, a front one and a back one. Turn them inside out and sew from 2 sides. Don't touch the waistband. Turn it right side out. Cut off the strip with the seam and take metal carabiners. Attach a hook to each end. Attach them to the belt loops. Emphasize the pockets with jewelry decor. It's turning out gorgeous! Put everything you need in the purse and put your phone in the pocket. Get ready for a lot of compliments! For the next idea, cut out some belt loops. The brighter they are, the better! Take a wooden frame and attach the loops to it. Alternate the colors and place the strips so that you can't see the boring base. As soon as the glue dries, put a photo into the frame. Which one should you choose? One where you're wearing jeans, of course! See? Making a stylish picture frame is super easy. You just have to use your imagination. For this idea, you are going to need a shoebox and old jeans. Cover the box with denim fabric, from the inside and from the outside. Attach a wide handle to the side. You can never have too many organizers. If you have an organizer, soon you'll have things to fill it with. Can you relate? Let us know in the comments. And now, get some black and blue jeans. Cut stencils out of paper. Trace them on the fabric. Cut them out. Make 2 pieces of each type. Put them together 2 by 2 and sew them together along the outline. Now sew 2 multicolored pieces together. Turn inside out. Fill with stuffing. Attach a tail and fins. Seal all the holes so the stuffing doesn't fall out. Glue the eyes. Shh! Listen! Do you hear that iconic noise? There's a whale nearby. Oh, here it is, right on the couch. A pet whale made out of fabric is very cute. You decide how to use it, as a toy or as a pillow. And for this idea, you are going to need a jean waistband. Cut it out carefully. Try it on your arm and sew it. Decorate the accessory with beads and a thin chain. Attach the beads however you want. Attach the chain on the perimeter. And try to find another waistband, because your friends will definitely ask you to make them the same bracelet. Oh no, it's a disaster! These jeans used to fit me so well. There's no way to sew them. They are too huge. Cut the legs. You will only need the top. Turn it over. Glue a piece of flannel fabric to the inside. Bend the free edge. Fill it with stuffing. Insert a circle of dense cardboard on top. Attach the edges of the fabric to it. What a nice bed! It's so soft and cozy! Hurry up and take pictures of me in it! Did you cut your shorts? Don't throw the legs away! Apply paper stencils to the fabric. Go over the details. Cut them out. Make a shape like this. Sew the fins to it. Fill it with polyester stuffing. Attach the tail. Turn the fins into fringe. Sew a rope to the fish. Are denim fish scared of fabric sharks? Here, kitty, kitty, kitty! A surprise for my fluffy friend. Do you want the fishy? Try and catch it! Pregnancy is a wonderful time! Your pants don't fit you anymore. You can't get enough sleep. Don't be anxious, it's bad for you. Just check out our jeans hack for pregnant women. Cut off the waistband with the pockets from your old jeans. Seal the legs and fill them with the stuffing. Sew the hole on the waist. Decorate the seam with a jean patch. Can you guess what this is? It's a real treat for pregnant tummies. A soft and cozy pillow. Sleeping sweetly and comfortably is such a blessing. What can you make out of 3 pairs of jeans and honeycomb stencils? We are about to show you. Transfer the drawing to the fabric. Cut it out. Now cut out hexagons. Lay them side by side on a sheet of felt. Sew them to it. Just look at these stylish denim napkins. They can also make a great coaster. Don't thank us, just make them yourself. For another idea, take a flower pot and old jeans. Pull a pant leg onto the flower pot. Cut the jeans to match the size of the pot. Make cuts in the lower part of the fabric to wrap the bottom. Hot glue the fabric. A denim flower pot is stylish, fashionable, and so cool. And so cute! For the next idea, skinny jeans with unusual patterns will be perfect. Put your arms in the pant legs. Cut them to the size of your hands. Trim them and sew them. Try them on and mark the place of your thumb. Make a cut on the seam. Mess up the edges a little to get a neat fringe. Put them on as gloves. Denim mittens are perfect for a sporty or casual look. Psst, got a couple of pairs of old jeans? Great, we'll take both. Cut off the extra. You are going to need the parts with the back pockets. Apply hot glue. Glue the parts with a denim strip. Hang the piece with pockets on the armrest of your sofa. Tell your roommates, always put the remotes, phones, and things you lose all the time in these pockets. Kitty, you remember it too! Did you like our jean ideas? Smash that like button and let us know in the comments which of them you will try out today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell to be the first to see the most interesting videos on Troom Select.